Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where all these various annotations are coming from. But before I do some deleting, I want to just do a quick recap. The big question going into today was all about this trend line that I had drawn. And, the price had broken above it late day yesterday. So that brought up the question, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is this, breakout, getting underway? And we got our, the question answered today. Yeah, that was indeed the beginning of a breakout. And it just goes to show the power of charts. Amazing. Price broke above that trend line and the rest was history. Today was a great follow through day. So as far as for those people that watched yesterday's video, yeah, we certainly got our answer that, yesterday's late day price action was the start of something bigger. So with that being said, I'm going to do a little house cleaning here. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0047 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above 0056, that would make the chart look insanely powerful. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, like I said, if the price can stay above it, that would be just a crazy, sign of strength on the bull's part. And as I've been talking about, and I'm just quickly touch on it here, big picture perspective, it's all about the purple line. As long as the price remains above there, bulls are in total control. For those of you that, again, care about the grand scope of things. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So let's scrunch up the chart here. I realize it's getting harder to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. Next key overall battleground, right up there at, what is that? About 0062, give or take. That level is coming back from way in the chart's past history. You can see on this very nice bounce right there, that's where it ultimately ran out of steam. So there were some sellers back there. Are those same sellers still sitting up there? Only time will tell, but as the story of the chart's telling us, that is going to be that next hurdle for the bulls up there at 0062. But as I've been saying and will continue to say, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases, then the long-term chart will keep on taking care of itself. So tomorrow should be pretty interesting. We'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.